In this video, I'm going to be making a part 2 of my setups of my sniper entries. But right now, what I'm showing you is not something that I would call sniper entries. So I faced this loss quite a bit back. I did a sniper entry into poverty, so that is what happened. Poverty followed next. I was trading coins. Nowadays, I don't know, I'm into this thing where I'll be trading these coins. So this is my initial account balance for the meantime. Let's wake it up, guys. This is my own personal account that I trade and build over time. I'm trying to level the game here. It's not smooth what the market did to me here. So since it's weekend, I'm doing my scalping so that I would definitely know which pairs tomorrow I'll be working with. Euro USD also seems nice. It seems like it is something which is tradable. So I'm just going to set my trend line. So setting your trend line is the first step. In fact, it's not the first step, it's the second step. You can't set trend line on something that you already haven't identified as maybe a flag, a pennant, a rising wedge, or something like that. So definitely here, before I'd set these trend lines, I saw that it kind of looked like something that just, if I placed my trend line on top and below, it will look something like a flag. So right now you'd see that the lower flag pole, I've matched it so that I can copy it to make the second flag pole. But these entries at times, the market makers and the liquidity providers do change the goalpost for these trades. You'd think that it's going to buy, maybe it's bullish, and then it goes bearish again. Since you know pure price action, there's something that's called a rally base drop. It still applies here as well. So this game is not all about 100% knowledge, but we use a risk-reward ratio. So I'm willing to lose, let's say, $3, but I want to gain something like $10. So before I continue with these jib jabbers, subscribe to this channel, send this video to someone else so that they can benefit. Before I waste time telling you about subscribing, right now I'm doing a second strategy here as confirmation. I'm doing the Quasi model, guys. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to confirm whether the market is trying to go up or going down. So by doing the Quasi model, this one, it's an inverted head and shoulders. So meaning that the shoulders are facing downwards, not upwards, the ones that we normally do. So right now, I've set the higher high and connected, sorry, not the higher high, I've connected my higher low with my lower low. This is not the higher high since it's an inverted, it's a lower low. Sorry, it's a lower high and a lower low. So I've connected those so that I get to market the areas of liquidity within within the shoulders. So these areas of liquidity within the shoulders are the ones that the market will play along for more hours or more minutes, I don't know, depending on the time frame that I'll be working on. So since I'm in minute 15, it means that for most minutes it's going to be making this area its whole playground for a while, doing consolidation and whatnot. So right now within the channel, we've got a descending channel. Since it's a bullish flag, it has got a descending channel. So that means that our trend lines are parallel facing downwards. So with that information, I've set it to go up because I know it will play in those areas. But since now we're just doing back testing what we'll be trading, now I've also opened LTC USD. These things work even on weekends. That's the benefit of trading them. So if you look carefully without even drawing these trend lines, this thing just looks like a head of those giant dinosaurs. So you'd definitely know that a pennant would definitely fit on the head. So while we have a pennant, these things also have got a tendency of doing liquidity sweep. What do I mean by this liquidity sweep thing? It means that on something like this one, the market makers definitely know that we will definitely have long buyers. So while they have long buyers there, they definitely know that you do full margin at an area like this. So before they go up, they go down first, so that they can take care of those early buyers. While they are taking care of early buyers, there are sellers that's going to come in end. They're going to say, oh, it's no longer buying. It has broken the trend line that is below. So now it's time for us to do full margin and sell, so that, they would think that it's now selling since it has broken the trend line. So that will act as confirmation for the sellers. While they are doing that, it will be a false breakout. It will take all of them out. So now we've got early buyers and sellers who have been taken out. No one is in the market now because we've all blown our accounts. And once we've blown our accounts, the market will definitely go in the intended direction, which is up. So you definitely see that no one will take even a single penny at this entry, because the market has definitely played both the sellers and the buyers. But right now, at times, I usually trade just this small distance that's in between the trend lines, that's enclosed in the trend line. So I do full margin in that distance. When it goes up, I quickly close, and then I do the opposite and sell, going back and up again. So that would work for a quick scalp, but not always the case. It works every time. Sometimes when you do the full margin, it then breaks the trend line and start going the opposite direction, as if the market was just waiting for you to enter your account. Just imagine the audacity. But anyways, let me not continue before I get angry. Subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm going to be dropping more insane ideas, more insane strategies, more dope giveaways. All right, so we're going to do these videos more and more, so that each and everyone knows how to set their trend lines. So I had drawn previous trend lines before. Now I'm just doing a confirmation with another flag pole. So it seems like there's quite some distance that needs to be covered a bit. So it also acts as confirmation to this dinosaur head that I have drawn. So on that gray area, that acts as my first TP, and then we go to the other one. So right now we are in Ethereum. Ethereum and Ethereum USD, they almost move alike, just difference in commission and the brokerage. Some brokerage, they don't offer Ethereum as it is. They offer Ethereum USD instead. All right. So it's almost the same as the last ad that I've just drawn trend lines. So the idea shouldn't be a new thing to you now. It should be something that you are used to at this point. But these things, they are not that simple. It might look like this, but the moment you enter, especially using a big account and a big lot size, you would say goodbye to your account that instant. The market quickly changes face. That is not nice. So whenever you're doing and you're not sure, try to practice risk management. Use it well applied so that your account survives, at least if they start manipulating this thing. Okay? This is what made others quit this game a long time back, because they would think that this thing is overly manipulated, but then it's just that you don't know your strategy very well. You haven't perfected it. So I'm going to make sure that at least I enter something for the night, then I'll leave it to marinate. And whatever happens in the morning, my account will either be healthy or my account will either be unhealthy. I don't know which risk reward ratio I'm going to be using. So subscribe to this channel as well as Sagex channel. Those are all my channels. And subscribe and follow my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram, and I've got a WhatsApp channel as well. I'm going to be giving insane insights in there as well. So for direct communication, you can join my WhatsApp channels and create your own high leverage account using the link in the pinned in the comment section and in description. That way, we'll be able to do the same trades together. If you check Bitcoin, it also has the same setup as Ethereum and Litecoin USD. So right now, if you check what I was talking about, it knows that you're definitely going to do an early buying at this stage. So what they do is they start selling, And the moment you just start by selling, they'll definitely just buy right away. But this instant, if you just buy with your well-managed lot size, even if it goes down to what extent, your account still remains intact. So I went back to Ethereum USD. I think I'm going to do a buy here and then I'll check tomorrow morning. But I can't make promises for you. I can't make promises for my account. I don't know what's going to go down, guys, but I'm excited and I am waiting to see what will happen. So I'm doing this. I think it's 11. All right. So I've placed a low lot size 25 cents. I'm just going to enter another one. No risk, no Ferrari. So we need to practice doing our risk management. My account is big. It can withstand the pressures of the volcano. If the dinosaur tries to go down to pick some rocks or some vegetables, my account will survive. But if the dinosaur just goes straight for the leaves in the high branches there, I'm definitely going to get a fat account, guys. And if I get a fat account, I'm going to withdraw and buy more insane giveaways for you guys. So cheers. After a few hours, this is what really happened. So it, as I had said, it went way down, and then it went back up and then started consolidating. After consolidation, it went up. As you can see, the account survived. I did not put too much lot size, so everything was okay. So as long as you know that your entry is correct, even if it goes the opposite direction for a long time, you will always come out victorious. So I'm just going to close this small profit and then I'm going to do another video for scalping later on my account and we'll see where it goes. So right now, subscribe to my channel, create your high leverage account using the link below. Let's go.